places of articulation, the exact spot in your mouth or throat where sounds are made is where parts like your tongue, lips, teeth, or roof of your mouth come together or get close to shape the air as you speak. Recognize how sound are physically made. First is bilabial. Both lips touch or come close together. This involves upper and lower lip. You press your lips together and release the air. It's like, for example, p, mm, p, mm. And that is sounds for pat and mat. P, mm. Second is labiodental. Lower lip touches upper teeth. This involves lower lip and upper front teeth. Air is pushes through the small gap between the lip and teeth. For example, it's for the word as fan and van. Third is dental. Tongue touches the teeth. This is the tip and the upper teeth that is involved. The tongue lightly touches the teeth while air flows out. For example, the. So like the for the word is think and the think and the. Fourth one is alveolar. Tongue touches the alveolar ridge or the behind the upper teeth. Are some of the most common English sounds. The tongue taps or presses against the ridge. This is for example like t, s, t, s. Or the word is top and sun. The fifth one is post-alveolar. Tongue touches just behind the alveolar ridge. These sounds are slightly deeper in the mouth than alveolar. This is the example. Sh, sh, z, z, sh, z. And the word is shape and measure. Shape and measure. The sixth is palatal. Tongue touches the hard palate or roof of the tongue. The tongue rises toward the hard palate to create the sound. For example, nya, nya, yes, nya, yes. The next one is velar. Back of the tongue touches the soft palate. These sounds are made deeper in the mouth near the throat. For example, and the word is cat, cat, go, go. And the last one is gluteal. Sound made at the gluteus or vocal cords. Air passes through the vocal cords without much obstruction. Like for example, ha, 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 hot, ha, hot. And now, we are done with the places of articulation. Let's proceed to the manner of articulation. What is manner of articulation? In English, consonants refers to how the airflow is shaped or blocked when producing a sound. It's one of the key ways we describe consonants alongside place of articulation and voicing. And there are 6 parts of manner of articulation in phonetics. The number 1 is stop or plosives. This is what happens when you block the air completely, then let it go quickly, like a mini explosion. Like for example, b, 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 b. And the word is pat and mat. Next is fricatives. This is what happens when you let air squish through a small space, making hissing or buzzing sound, like this. S, z, z. And the word is sun and zoo. See? And the third one is affricates. This is what happens when you start with a stop or block the air, then add friction, 2 steps in one sound, like this. Sh, sh, ja, ja. And the word is church and judge. Next is nasals. This is also what happens when you block the mouth but let it air go through your nose, like mm, 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 man, and net. Next is approximates. This happens when your mouth parts come close but not close enough to make friction. Soft sound like w, w, yeah, yeah, w, yeah. And the word is when and yes. When, yes. And the last one is lateral approximant. This happens when your tongue blocks the middle but air flows around the sides, like l, l, let.